Might be embarrassing to say, but it took me a long time to realize that completing the square literally means to complete the square. Here's what I mean. First, if you don't know about algebra tiles, here's an x squared tile, an x tile, and a 1 tile. Take note of their side lengths. So if we want to multiply x plus 3 by x plus 2, we see that the product is x squared plus 5x plus 6, and we can go the other way around. If we want to find the factors of x squared plus 5x plus 6, we see that the factors are x plus 3 and x plus 2. Now let's solve this by completing the square. First, I'll place my x squared tile over here. Next, I have 6 x's. I'm going to place half over here and half over here. And the reason for this is because this helps form a square. Because, for example, if I placed 4 x's on top and 2 x's on bottom, that is not going to help form a square. Now let's place our 6 ones on the left and 1 on the right. Now remember, our goal is to complete the square. So how many 1s do I need to add here to complete the square? 3. So if I add 3 on the left, I need to add 3 on the right. And this shape on the right has to be a square as well. And we did it! We completed the square! Now, this equal sign says that the areas of these two squares are the same. I know they don't look like it, but it's true. And if the area of two squares are the same, we can compare their side lengths. The side length of this square all around is x plus 3, but what about this one? Well, what times itself equals 4? Well, 2 times 2 equals 4, but also negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4. So let's set the side lengths equal to each other. X plus 3 equals 2, or x plus 3 equals negative 2. And when we solve for x, we get the solution of x equals negative 1 or x equals negative 5. So if we only focus on plugging in numbers into formulas, we may lose out on what's happening conceptually, like with me and completing the square. But completing the square really only has 2 steps. Literally complete the square, and set the side lengths equal to each other. Hope this helps.